It's like an unspoken agreement, a silent dialogue that strengthens the ties that bind us together. But it's not just about unity. Contagious yawning may also be a marker of empathy. In fact, studies have shown that individuals who are more empathetic are often more susceptible to contagious yawning. It's as if our ability to yawn along with others is a testament to our capacity for understanding and sharing their feelings. It's fascinating, isn't it? This simple, everyday act of yawning might be a window into our evolutionary past, a reminder of our communal beginnings, a symbol of our innate capacity for empathy.